Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making cilantro lime rice oil-free. This is very simple, very easy, as are all my recipes, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is get our rice going, and I'm going to be using my rice cooker. You can absolutely do this on top of the stove, but if you have a rice cooker, use your rice cooker because you set it and forget it. So we're going to use 1 cup of white rice. We're going to add that in. I'm going to add in, I've got 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vegetable broth, low sodium. So I'm adding that to the rice. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, about a ½ teaspoon. You can absolutely leave that out if you are on a salt-free diet. I'm going to use 1 clove of garlic, minced, and this is a pretty large clove. If they're small, you could probably use 2. So I'm just going to mince this real quick, add that to the mixture. So that's going in. And the last thing we're going to add here is 2 bay leaves, and we're going to fish those out later. So let's give this a quick stir. And then we're just going to let the rice cooker do its job. Now in the meantime, this is what we're going to add to the rice when it's done. I've got the juice. We're going to do a juice of 1 lime. So I'm going to put that in a bowl here. And I also took some of the zest off of the lime. Just as little or as much as you would like. It's not a lot. So we're going to put that in here. Get all the juice out. I mean, it's maybe a couple tablespoons. And then we're going to add the zest of the lime, just a little bit. And then I've got my cilantro, because of course it's cilantro lime rice. So I'm going to chop this up. And I think you want to chop it up fairly fine, and you want maybe a cup. And I would start with, you know, a little bit and then add more. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. And I know there's, what, 50% of the population that doesn't like cilantro, so if you're in that population, you will not like this recipe, but everybody else will love it. So once you chop this up pretty finely, you are good to go. So when the rice comes out, we're going to add the lime and the zest and the cilantro and mix it all together, and of course take those bay leaves out. So we'll be back when that rice is done. The rice is all done, so let's fish out those bay leaves. And then I want to put this in this bowl, and it's best to do this when it's warm because then the rice will absorb all those flavors. So I've got my lime juice and my zest, and remember we have put a little salt in here. And then I'm going to add, I'm just going to start with that much, and then just mix it all together. It's pretty easy. As if you haven't noticed, my recipes aren't too difficult. I think that is plenty of cilantro. Let's get a plate and give this a try. So the rice is all plated. Give you a close-up look here. Looks pretty good. But the true test. Give this a taste. Oh yeah. That is perfect. Got the lime, taste the cilantro. Cooking it in the veggie broth really gives it some more flavor. So this is a winner for sure. This is going to be a great side dish for any Mexican food you're making. So remember, it's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.